guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create this look right here, which is a very fun colorful makeup look. It is my personal favorite because I tried to match my dress with the eye color. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please continue watching. So firstly I'm using my Blue Heaven primer. It's a silicone based primer, so it's really great for oily eyelids. So I'm using for my eyelids, not for my whole face. Since I have very oily eyelids, I need something that is gonna stop the oil from secreting. Then I'm taking my Wet n Wild darker foundation and use it as a color corrector. Then moving on, I'm applying the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. It's a very lighter shade, so it works perfectly well for my eyelids. So it helps in making the color show even more better. And then I'm setting my lids with the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder in the shade Toffee. Then for my eyebrows, I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil. So if you want like a detailed routine of how I fill in my eyebrows, I have uploaded another video which will pop up in your screen right now, so you can click that and watch that. Now I'm also correcting those eyebrows using the same Wet n Wild concealer. And I'm blending it out first with my fingers, and then I took my beauty sponge and just blended. Then I'm setting this area again with the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. I'm repeating the same into the other eye as well. So moving on to the eyeshadow palette, I'm actually using the Hilary Rhoda Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. It's a very colorful palette. I also created another look using the same palette. I'll give you the video link on the screen so you can check that one out as well. I first took the blue color, but honestly it was so chalky and bad. I did not like it, especially as a crease color. So I don't think so. I did not continue using that particular color. It was really pretty when looking on the pan. But when you take it with your brush or your finger, also it's not working. So I shifted to my other palette, which is also by Swiss Beauty, and took that kind of an orangish shade and placed it all across my crease. Like for example, I took this kind of an indigo-ish shade, like a blue indigo shade, and I tried to work it out with a lot of different brushes. I used a blending brush at first. I just tried to pack it in. The color was a little bit pigmented, but the way it got blended was like so chalky, and I did not like it. But it's a beautiful color. Then I took this deep purple color. At least this should work, hoping that this will work. So it did have like decent pigmentation than the other shades. And then taking that beautiful blue shade. It's a shimmery blue shade. I love this shade from this palette. Like, you can buy this palette just for this shade. I'm telling you, it is such a gorgeous shade. Then taking that golden shade, I just popped it into my inner corners. It was like a nice, shimmery golden shade. I also did place a little bit on my eyebrows, like the brow bone area as well. Coming back to our base again, I'm using the same Wet n Wild foundation as my color corrector. I'm just applying it wherever I have the most darkness. This step is completely optional if you don't have any hyperpigmentation or darkness around your mouth, in your under eye area, then you can definitely skip this step and move straight away into your foundation. So then I used my foundation, L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade Nut Brown. Then taking my beauty blender, I'm just blending my foundation out. Then I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Toffee as a concealer. I'm taking a brush, like a packing brush, and just applying the concealer in my inner corners and then the outer corners, and whatever is left on the brush, I'm just um, applying it to the center of my cheek. I'm also applying the concealer below the area where I usually contour. I'm not gonna contour today, so I'm just applying, like doing like a fake contour almost. Then I'm taking I'm taking the same compact powder and just setting my face, not the whole of my face. I'm just setting the areas where I've concealed. For my eyes, I'm using that lilac shade first in my outer portion of the lower lash line. It's a beautiful shade. It was again not that pigmented. It was okayish, but still I managed to do something. Lash line. Then I just used the same purple color, the deep purple one that I used on my eyelids, to the inner corners of my lower lash line. So I'm using the Bella Vosti liquid dip eyeliner to line my lids. I felt like this look deserves an eyeliner. And then I use the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. And finally, for my lips, I'm taking the Miss Claire brown lip liner. I think it's in the shade coffee brown. Filling it in with my Stay Quirky mini liquid lipstick in the shade Slutty Chocolate Kiss. And I also added some lip gloss because since it's winter time, I think a gloss would, make the look even more nicer and, more healthier. So, and that's it, you guys. This is my final look. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I really like how the look has turned out. It was really going well with my outfit. It was like a blue kurta, so it was really, really complementing my dress. So, yeah, if you're someone who's interested in makeup related stuff, skincare, product reviews, and more, then please make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you'll never miss another video from my side. Until